Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to flush DNS in Windows 11 and Windows 10 to fix internet issues. If your websites are not opening properly or your internet is slow, this simple trick can help. All you need to click on this one, a start button. After that, type command prompt, then right click on this one command prompt entry and select here run as administrator. In case Windows prompts with user account control, click on yes button. Now type ipconfig space /plus DNS, ipconfig space plus DNS. I will put this one command in this one video description also, so that you can easily copy. After typing this one command, press enter from the keyboard. You will see a message, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. That's it, your DNS cache is now cleared. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.